Hello and welcome. This is Gary Garnett, and today I just want to thank everybody that's bought Newbie Lessons. It's probably one of the most useful programs that you'll ever find online. It tells you how to do everything that you need to do for internet marketing or anything like YouTube, Facebook, Twitter. Here's videos on web hosting, cPanel, FTP, HTML, CSS, PayPal, JVZoo, ClickBank, affiliate marketing, Amazon, Warrior Forums, social media, list building, Aweber, GetResponse, product launches, video creation, freelancing tutorials, SEO, AdWords tutorials, mini sites, graphics, WordPress, Google tools like Gmail, Analytics, AdSense, tools like zip files, PDFs, online software. There's all kinds of stuff here. Plus there's a few other little bonus trainings here. It's really something that everybody needs, whether you're a newbie or an advanced marketer, because there's things that you just don't know and it takes a long time to find out. Now you can buy it for $19.95, and if you click on here to buy it, it goes directly to an upsell for 18 hours of proven traffic strategies. So there's all kinds of different ways that you can get traffic here. Free traffic methods, social traffic methods, advanced traffic methods, traffic core modules. There's 18 hours of videos here on how to generate traffic. And the upsell is $37, but that doesn't mean that you're going to pay the $19.95 plus the $37 when you upgrade. You're just going to upgrade for $37 and you get the newbie training and the traffic training. And if you want to go for the $97 package, that gives you 12 months of smarter, faster, better right up here. I'll show you the back office for that in a minute. And so you get all three packages for $97. So it's a really good deal. It's not like you have to pay $19 and then $37 and then $97. It's just a one package deal. So that's kind of an upsell that you don't see very often. So if you click on no thanks, so then that'll just make you go back to the $19.95 program. You just buy the $19.95 program for newbie lessons. Okay, so I'm going to take you into the back office a little bit here and show you around. Okay, here's all the things that I've bought. So I got newbie lessons. You can click on that, and here's all the lessons. I'll stop the video. Okay, so web hosting, WordPress, cPanel. There's just all these different things that I showed you a minute ago. There's videos for everything. Aweber, SEO, GetResponse, and they're all individual lessons, so you can click on it and it'll take you right to whatever lesson you want to go to. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set. Okay, so it's really slick. Okay, now I'm going to go back to the traffic generation one. In this video here, we're going to talk. Alright, so now we're going to go back to the newbie lessons traffic upgrade. So click on that. And here are the modules. Here's all the modules with all the things I just showed you on the sales page. All the different things that you can get traffic from. And you can just upgrade to that for $37, and you get also the other newbie lessons. So, alright, now I'm going to click on, it's a different website here that you get to the faster, smarter, better. But it's usually sells for $67 all by itself, and it's got all kinds of lessons in here, like 12 months worth. You just click on the next lesson and it goes and it takes you to a whole new set of videos. And then you can go to the next lesson. You just go through it all. And it just goes to all these different videos and all these different topics. So it's a lot of training here. There's like an enormous amount of videos in this package and the 300 newbie lessons and the traffic generation. So if you want to get the whole package, it's $97 for all three. If you want to get just the newbie lessons and the traffic, it's $37. If you just want to get the newbie lessons, it's $19.95. So that's how the upsell works, and I just wanted to explain that to people so that they know what it's all about. All right, I hope this helps you. Thanks again for anybody that's already bought this package, and I know it's one of the most useful things I've ever bought online. So thanks for watching.